So hey everyone, welcome back to this latest episode of the Python series. In this video, we will simply understand what is function, what is the use of function in Python programming. Guys, function helps us to create simple programs. Whenever we need any function requirement, we simply call it. That's the beauty of function. Function makes us program readable and makes it easy and decreases its complexity. So this is the reason why do we use function. So in this video we will clearly understand what is function and how to declare it, what are the syntax in just few minutes. So stay tuned for the video. Now there is a keyword called def to define a function. For example, if I write greet is a function which is defined by the keyword def. After defining the function, you have to just assign a round bracket and a colon. Now our function is being declared. Now if you want to print some message, for example print hello. Okay, again one more message we want to print, like good morning. Okay, good morning. So pay attention here. This is the declaration of the function. These are the print statement which have been declared inside the function. This is also a print statement. Now if you want to call the, for example, if I run this function, you can see there is no output. Why? Because we haven't called this function. Now it's time to call the function so that function returns the value whatever we have been defined inside the function. So for this, just scroll down and write the name of the function, which is greet. And now when you run the code, you will see hello and good morning. So this is the basic program for the function. Now we will write some further code in the function. Okay, you maybe heard the word return. What is the return and what is the use of return keyword inside the functions? Let me tell you. If I erase this, for example, we want to make a sum of two numbers. Okay, let's define the function def. You already know the keyword of def. Add. The function name is add, and inside the function name we will pass two parameters. What are argument parameters? Let me tell you. Whatever we declare inside the function, for example x comma y. So these are the two parameters which have been defined inside the function, and it will take two values. Okay, for example, if we add x and y, we want to store it. We need some variable, for example c. C will store the values of the return type whatever x and y may add in the function. So x plus y. Okay, all set. Now we will try to print it. We will try to print it. Simply write print c. Okay, this is our function has been defined. Now call this function. We have to pass some argument inside this. For example 5 comma 10. We want to make a sum of 5 and 10. So we will pass this inside this function 5 comma 10. And when we run this, you will see we get 15 as the output. So now you got how to calculate the addition of two numbers. Here's a change for you. If I remove this, if I again remove this, there is a keyword you always been heard, return, and always you get confused with the keyword what is the use of return. So here I'll tell you, I will simply return the value of c. Okay, now if we call this function 5 comma 10, you will get no output. Let me run the code. See, you didn't get any output. Output is provided but you can't see it because you have not used any print statement. What's the use of print statement? Print statement enables us to see the output which is provided on the screen. In this case the output is provided but you can't see it. You have to use kind of print function. So if we use print inside this, and if I close the bracket, okay, now you can see the output is 15. There is another way of doing this. For example, define a variable result equal to and store the and call the function and store in the result comma 5 comma 10. Again you will run this, you will not get any output C because we haven't print anything. So print What we write in this? Result, because result will store the value of whatever 5 and 10 do. Now you will get the output 15 as well. See, so this is how actually function work. Let me change some code here. If you want to make addition and subtraction also, so let's change the function name add underscore sub. Okay, here we did addition, now we'll do subtraction also. We will again need a value, a variable which store the subtraction of x and y. D equal to x minus y. Okay, return will also take two value, c and d, all set. Now if we print this, you will get error. Why you get error? Because when you call the function, you call the previous function which I have been deleted. Now the new function name is add underscore sub. Okay, and let's change some value here. I should write 10 comma 5 so that no negative value would come. And now you can see the output is 15 comma 5. 15 is the addition of 10 and 5, and 5 is the subtraction of 10 comma 5. One way of doing it also is you can write result. In the result you can write result 1, which will show the addition of the two number, and result 2, which will show the subtraction of these two number. And again we have to pass two things here, result 1 comma result 2, all set. Now if you run this code, you will again get 50 comma 5. You can also do one more way of doing this, result 1 or print result 2 separately. Again you will get the same output. So this is the beauty of Python, and this is the beauty of function in Python. Function makes your code readable and makes it easy. You can use function anywhere as many times as you can, and function also provides the beauty of its syntax by you can easily declare the syntax in Python. For example, swapping of two numbers you can declare very easily. So this is how Python makes it very easily to write the code, and function is also making the to write the code. So these two things makes our program very good and readable in the Python programming. So that's it for the now. Stay tuned for the more videos if you want to learn. See you. Bye bye.